Yikes, this is not cute, y'all.
Hold up, tell me what the hold up is. I'm a little spoiled, I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not used to laying low about my feelings. Tell the world or write a book when I'm finished. I should thank your mama, yeah. Look at what she made. Sweating you so badly. I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it more than I want to.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I'm showing you guys how I got this wig installed. No bleaching, no customizing it really, or anything, y'all. This wig is so cute, the perfect length and the perfect color for the summertime, baby. Okay, you about to be cute this summertime with this wig. This unit is from Unice hair. It is a 3-part unit, okay, baby, period. Okay, 3 parts. What's the point of having a frontal at this point? Because it's literally like 1 inch of frontal on the side. You have the whole frontal part. You have a long parting space, and you have 3 parts, and the parts look pretty natural, y'all. Like, the parts are at a curve. They're not like straight parts. It just works, y'all. And then getting it like this is more of an affordable option because of the simple fact that it's not a whole like 13x6 frontal and things like that, but it's better than a closure because you get more parting space and everything like that. So if you guys don't already know, my name is London Tay, but my real name is Taylor, and if you're an OG subscriber, you know we give hugs around this mug when I do personal videos. So I'm not gonna ramble too much in this video. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a hug. Then we're gonna jump into the tutorial, okay? Without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and give y'all a hug, and we gonna jump into the video. Jump into the video. If you don't already know, we do give hugs around this mug, alright? Alright, y'all. So in this video, I am featuring Unice's 3-part wig. It has 3 parts. So you have this. The lace is like transparent, which is really good. The knots are already bleached. I do see some black knots, and I'm really trying to see if I need to bleach it. But honestly, for the most part, most of the knots are bleached. So I think I'm just going to leave it like this, so you guys can see how it looks if you decide not to bleach it and things like that. So I think that's really important. So I have my hair in these 2 little pigtails.
Hold up, tell me what the hold up is. I'm a little spoiled, I'll be the first to admit it.
So basically this wig, it's basically like a ball cap built inside it already. This is a weird color. I've never seen this type of weird color before. That is weird, but whatever. Like, okay, we gonna go with it. I'm just going to tighten the wig up a little bit. Luckily, they don't have a comb in the middle. They must have been listening to us, okay? Everybody's been complaining about the comb in the middle. Yikes, this is not cute, y'all. Like, just put some mousse on the edges and just kind of, you know, push the edges back. This mousse, when you apply mousse, it softens up this got to be glue gel and stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna go for a darker color. I feel like the color that they have on here is like super light. Okay, so I feel like that blends better. Okay, now I'm gonna use a hot comb because I think I want to part it on this side. And like I said, this part is already kind of in there. Get a little bit on top of the lace to help blend in.
I want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading. Praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want it.
So now I'm going to cut off the lace.
But for you I put it aside. I can't see you with nobody else. It would eat me up alive. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that.
I'm going to pull out a little section where I want to have some hairs. And I'm just going to kind of hot comb it in place so it won't like go back with the other hair. I'm going to just spray it with some hairspray.
Hold up, tell me what the hold up is. I'm a little spoiled, I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not used to laying low about my feelings. Tell the world around.
And then I'm just going to get this elastic band and tie this. Okay, so now that is doing what it does, move this out the way. Basically everything is already in layers, so I'm going to use the baby blitz and I'm going to curl it away from my face. And then I'm going to set it with the flexi rods so it can have the nice little set curl in it.
Want it, tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it, don't you know I want it more than I want to. You won't catch me interested, I'm way too selective, but you're catching my interest and it's working so effective. Got me seeing colors, Picasso couldn't paint. You pull me deep and rapture me, leave me no restraint. And I should thank your mama. Oh, look what she made. Lord, I'm sweating you so badly. I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it more than I want to. I want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to. Usually got way too much pride, but for you I put it aside. 'Cause I can't see you with nobody else. It would eat me up alive. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. Baby, you know that it would eat me up. Hey, I want it more than I want to. Yeah, I want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'm receiving everything I want from you. I want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to. Want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah.
So I done got dressed and everything. Now I'm about to just take my curls out and do something to the front of my hair, okay?
You won't catch me interested, I'm way too selective, but you're catching my interest and it's working so effective. Got me seeing colors, Picasso couldn't paint. You pull me deep and rapture me, leave me no restraint. And I should thank your mama. Oh, look what she made. Lord, I'm sweating you so badly. I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah,
Now that all these curls are basically set, I am going to get a little bit got to be glue spray, you know, something slight, and just kind of maneuver the edges.
tell me what you got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to. Usually got way too much pride, but for you I put it aside. 'Cause I can't see you with nobody else.
Okay, so now I'm just going to get a comb and I'm just going to comb all these curls out. Wow, this is so cute. Yes, this is so cute, y'all. Well, I should have did this concealer first, but just to darken that color up on the scalp, and then just kind of hot comb. So this is basically how it looks. It's like a honey blonde with a brown mixed with it. I think it turned out so good, y'all. So again, I got this unit from Unice hair. This is their 3-part. You have a side part, a middle part, and another side part. What more do you want? You don't even need a whole frontal if they're going to have 3 parts to the wig, right? Y'all, so dope. So like innovative. I love it. And then the color, like they could have did a little bit better when it comes to like blending the color line, but for the most part, the color, like the highlights that they included in this hairstyle, super cute, y'all. Like, but yeah, I freaking love this wig. This is so cute, y'all. All right, y'all.
Thank your mama, yeah. Look at what she